Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make orange lobster dunks. First, navigate to the main menu and find the Features section. From there, select Shoe Creator to begin your custom design. Choose a low-top dunk silhouette as your starting point. This provides the perfect canvas for replicating the iconic orange lobster look. Get ready to dive into color and material selection. Now, let's focus on the primary colors and materials. For the main overlays and toe box, select a bright, vivid orange. Then, for the mudguard, heel, and eyelets, choose a slightly darker, reddish-orange shade to create depth. Opt for a suede or nubuck material texture for all these upper sections to mimic the original shoe's premium feel. Next, we'll add the distinctive details. Apply a subtle speckled pattern to the orange sections of the shoe. This is crucial for the lobster shell effect. For the inner lining and the outsole, select a light, icy blue color. Finally, incorporate a thin black elastic band detail around the forefoot area, just above the midsole, to complete the unique design. To finalize your custom orange lobster dunks, choose crisp white laces and a clean white midsole for a classic contrast. If available, add any appropriate Nike or SB branding elements to the tongue and heel. Once you are satisfied with every detail, save your creation. Your unique orange lobster dunks are now ready to be worn by your player in the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.